Welcome to today's episode of Wiser Fuelify, where we dive into the fascinating interplay between astrology, spirituality, and science. Today, we are exploring the intriguing relationship between the 12 zodiac signs and the 12 Jyotirlingas of Lord Shiva, as well as their significance according to moon signs. This journey will take us from the ancient spiritual traditions of Hinduism to modern scientific perspectives. So let's embark on this enlightening exploration. Before we proceed further, please like, share, and subscribe if you want to see and know more about such topics on our channel. In astrology, the zodiac divided into 12 signs, each representing different personality traits, tendencies, and life paths. The 12 signs are Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. Each zodiac sign is believed to influence various aspects of a person's life, including their behavior, career, and relationships. These influences are often tied to celestial patterns and positions which have been observed and interpreted for centuries. In Hindu spirituality, Jyotirlingas are sacred shrines dedicated to Lord Shiva. There are 12 renowned Jyotirlingas, each associated with a different legend and believed to possess unique spiritual significance. The 12 Jyotirlingas and their locations are Somnath in Gujarat, Mallikarjun in Andhra Pradesh, Mahakaleshwar in Madhya Pradesh, Omkareshwar in Madhya Pradesh, Kedarnath in Uttarakhand, Bhima Shankar in Maharashtra, Kashi Vishwanath in Uttar Pradesh, Ramanath Swami in Tamil Nadu, Nageshwar in Gujarat, Vaijnath in Maharashtra, Ondha Nagnath in Maharashtra, and Krishneshwar in Maharashtra. Each Jyotirlinga is believed to embody the divine presence of Shiva and is revered for its spiritual power. Pilgrims visit these shrines seeking blessings, guidance, and liberation. Astrological beliefs often intertwine with spiritual traditions. Here is how the 12 zodiac signs align with the 12 Jyotirlingas, considering both ancient wisdom and modern interpretations. Aries. Aries is associated with Mahakaleshwar, known for courage and leadership, aligning with the fierce and powerful nature of Mahakaleshwar. Taurus is linked with Kedarnath, matching Taurus' stability and devotion with Kedarnath's serene and grounding presence. Gemini is connected to Kashi Vishwanath, resonating with Gemini's dynamic and influential energy. Cancer is associated with Krishneshwar, complementing Cancer's nurturing and emotional depth. Leo is linked with Somnath, aligning with Leo's regality and strength. Virgo is connected to Omkareshwar, reflecting Virgo's analytical and meticulous nature. Libra is associated with Ramanath Swami, paralleling Libra's sense of balance and harmony. Scorpio is linked with Mallikarjuna, resonating with Scorpio's intense and transformative qualities. Sagittarius is connected to Bhima Shankar, aligning with Sagittarius' adventurous and philosophical nature. Capricorn is associated with Vaijnath, reflecting Capricorn's discipline and ambition. Aquarius is linked with Nageshwar, resonating with Aquarius' innovative and progressive traits. And lastly, Pisces. Pisces is connected to Ondha Nagnath, complementing Pisces' intuitive and spiritual nature. From a scientific standpoint, while the direct connections between zodiac signs and Jyotirlingas are rooted in cultural and spiritual traditions, there is an interesting intersection with psychology and human behavior. Astrology and spirituality often reflect human experiences and values, which can impact psychological well-being. Research suggests that belief in astrology can influence how individuals perceive their lives and make decisions, sometimes providing a sense of purpose and direction. Engaging in spiritual practices like visiting sacred sites and contribute to mental well-being, offering relaxation and a sense of connection to something greater. While there is no empirical evidence linking zodiac signs directly to spiritual experiences or locations, the personal and cultural significance of these traditions can have a profound impact on individuals. The relationship between the 12 zodiac signs and the 12 Jyotirlingas is a rich tapestry of ancient wisdom, spiritual beliefs, and modern interpretations. While the scientific community may not validate direct correlations, the symbolic and cultural connections offer valuable insights into human nature and spirituality. Whether viewed through the lens of astrology, spirituality, or science, exploring these connections can enhance our understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. If you like today's video, please like, share, and subscribe for more interesting and fuelified content. Thank you for tuning into Wiser Fuelify. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep growing.